Today, we're drawing Dragonite from Pokemon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Let's start with Dragonite's snout. Draw a big, rounded shape. Then, add 2 tiny nostrils. Keep it simple for now at this stage. It's mostly just a cute little nose blob. Now let's build the head. Draw one big curve rising up and over for the top of the skull. Then, add the lower curve underneath. And there it is. Now that lower line turns the snout into a smile. Next, draw Dragonite's left eye, the big eye on our right side. Make it tall and oval. Leave a soft highlight inside, then fill in the rest. Nice and shiny, like a little jelly bean eye. Now add the other eye on the opposite side. This one is slimmer because the snout overlaps it a little. Keep the same highlight so both eyes feel balanced and friendly. Time for the left whisker. Start with a small bump on top of the head. Then let it stretch out in one long wavy curve. Think of it like a happy little noodle floating in the air. Now draw the right whisker behind it. This one curves upward and feels a bit shorter. Same soft, wavy look. Just a second little noodle to balance the head. Add the tiny horn in the middle, just a small triangle. Finish the head by drawing the bat curve down into the neck. And just like that, Dragonite's face is all done. Now let's draw Dragonite's left arm, stretching out to the side. Start from the body, curve the arm outward, then add 3 small rounded claws at the end. Keep the arms soft and simple. No scary dragon claws today, just friendly little marshmallow claws. Next, draw the big belly line. Start under the head and pull one long curve down, around, and back toward the body. This curve gives Dragonite that round, soft, huggable shape. Now draw the other arm. First, make the top line curve outward from the body. Then add the small claws, one by one at the end. After that, draw the lower line pulling back inward, like the arm is gently folding into the body. Nice and clean, almost like Dragonite is giving a tiny wave. Let's move down to the left leg. Draw a round thigh shape first, almost like a soft oval attached to the side of the belly. Then, bring the leg down with a short curve and add 3 rounded toes. Keep the toes close together so they look cute instead of too sharp. Dragonite is still in friendly mode. Now add the second leg under the belly. This one is a little smaller and sits closer to the middle. Draw the short leg first, then add 3 tiny toes at the bottom. Try to keep both feet round and simple, like little dragon slippers. Now let's finish the belly. Draw a curved line that runs parallel to the belly outline, but make it a little shorter. Then, add the curved belly stripes across the front, one section at a time. Each stripe should follow the round shape of the body, so it doesn't need to be perfectly straight. The spaces can be a little wider in the middle and smaller near the bottom. These lines are simple, but they really help make the character look like Dragonite. Time for the tail. Start from the back of the body and draw one long curve sweeping out to the right. Let it get thinner as it goes, then curl the tip upward. After that, add a few curved stripe lines near the end of the tail. Keep the tail smooth, like one big banana-shaped swoosh. And now the body is really coming together. Now let's draw Dragonite's big wing. Start from the back and draw the first long curve going up, then sweep it across to the right. This is the top frame of the wing, almost like a big bent umbrella handle. Next, draw another line just under it, following the same curve. Keep the wingtip nice and pointy, but not too sharp. Dragonite is still cute, not trying to poke anybody. Now bring a curved line down from the wingtip to make the lower edge of the wing. Let it dip inward, like a soft bat wing shape. Then add one inside curve from the top frame down to the lower edge. This gives the wing its folded, dragon-like look. Now add the smaller wing behind the head and body. Keep this one simple. Draw a short curved side, a small point, and one soft inner curve. Just enough to show the second wing hiding in the back. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!